Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to add another user in your Windows 10. If you are using your laptop and you want to, and your OS is Windows 10 and you want to add another user in your laptop, first of all just click on the Windows key. After clicking on the Windows key, now click on your profile name. Now you have to click on change account setting option. Click on change account setting option, and here you will see family and others users option. Just click on family and others users option. Now here you will see under other user option, add someone else to this PC. Now click on it, add someone else to PC. Now here you will see you have to uh, name the user. You have to enter the name of your user, and if you want to enter password, you can enter the password here. Now if you want to enter this, and now click on next. Now after clicking on next, you will see that this user has been added to my laptop. So like this you can add another user to your laptop in Windows 10. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.